Hi, I'm Denise Malcolm, and today we're going to be looking at the 10 guiding principles of instructional technology and distance education. Principle 1 states, know your students. Students have different learning styles, they have different personalities, and they have different approaches to what they do. So we need to be very much aware of this, especially in the online environment. Principle 2 states, know cultural differences. Especially in the online environment, students will be from different cultures, different areas, different regions, so we need to be aware of what is taking place there and how we need to adjust our lessons to fit into the culture of the different students. Principle 3 states, encourage students' participation. Students in the online environment and at a distance need to be encouraged to participate, encouraged by their instructors and encouraged by their fellow classmates. Otherwise, they tend to sit back and not say much, and then at the same time will not get a feedback as to what they're doing and how they need to do what they're doing. Principle 4, encourage collaboration. Collaboration goes hand in hand with participation. Collaboration includes possibly group work, and then again, feedback is also important from teachers and students. Principle 5 states, avoid online isolation. Online isolation can be a very serious pitfall to the online environment because students tend not to want to be a part of a situation where they do not belong to a community. Now, this community environment is enhanced by the teachers giving feedback and students at the same time giving feedback for the students to know exactly where they are. Principle 6, select strategies, technology, media, and materials. This is really an activity for the teacher. The teacher needs to select the strategies that they're using, the technology that they need to be using as far as the instructional procedure is concerned, media as it relates to equipment, and materials. Principle 7, differentiate between instructional technology and media. There is a difference. The instructional technology has to do with the teaching methods, the procedures, as well as the equipment that the teachers use. The media itself is actually the equipment and the different types of technological tools that are used in this teaching environment. We definitely need to differentiate between these two. Principle 8 states, observe copyright laws. Now, ever so often people are inclined to believe that they can always copy as many articles, as many items, as many different documents in the online environment without bearing in mind that these belong to people and they need to get the permission that they need to use these different materials. So we definitely need to observe copyright laws. Principle 9, be aware of online issues. These issues are not necessarily limited to security, monitoring, and acceptable use policy, but these are the three main areas that we need to be aware of as far as the online issues and policies are concerned. Finally, Principle 10, evaluate and revise students and lessons. Evaluation is important in any situation. Evaluation of students as it relates to what they're doing, how they meet the learning objectives, how they actually improve from the beginning to the end of the program. Evaluation of lessons, the teachers need to know what they're doing, how they're meeting the objectives, what they need to correct, and what they need to add. So evaluation of students and lessons are important. If these 10 principles are followed, then the online environment should be a better learning environment for all students involved. Thanks.